Nice place. You like it, you can see many things, lots of people roaming here and there. But the worst part is that right now in the middle of something that my stomach is so painful. As you can see that there is a PVR. People are lining up for the video cinema theater. I don't know which movie is gonna play. But yes, you can see this is the PVR. I think sometime you should come and visit. This is the PVR.